Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about economic development planning in brief. Economic development planning techniques refer to the approaches and methods used by governments to guide a country's transformation from a low level of development towards a more advanced and developed economy. Development does not happen automatically. It requires a clear vision, proper planning, effective resource management, and continuous monitoring. So, economic development plans provide three main elements: strategies, directions, and adaptations. Strategies define the actions and policies needed to achieve development objectives such as improving productivity, increasing investments, developing industries, creating employment opportunities, and enhancing living standards. A direction provides a clear pathway for national development by identifying priorities, setting targets, and guiding public and private sector efforts toward common goals. Adaptation enables a country to adjust its development plans according to changing economic conditions, technological advancements, global trends, and emerging challenges. Therefore, economic development planning acts as a roadmap that supports a country's journey from a less developed economy to a sustainable, competitive, and high-performing developed nation. So every society faces the fundamental economic challenge of unlimited human wants and limited resources. Economic systems are developed to address this challenge by deciding how resources should be allocated and how goods and services should be produced and distributed. The major role of an economic system is to satisfy the needs and wants of the community by making the best possible use of available resources. To achieve this, every economy must answer three basic economic questions: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Different countries have adopted different economic systems based on their social, political, and economic conditions. The three main types of economic systems are market economic system, centralized economic system, mixed economic systems. A market economic system where decisions regarding production and distribution are mainly guided by market forces such as demand, supply, and competition. Centralized economic system where major economic decisions are controlled and planned by the government. Mixed economic system which combines both the market mechanism and government intervention to achieve economic stability, growth, and social welfare. Understanding these economic systems is important because they influence a country's development path, resource utilization, productivity, and overall economic performance. An economic plan is a structured roadmap developed to guide a country's economic development by defining its future directions, priorities, and actions. The success of an economic plan depends on identifying the correct sources of direction and including essential components that translate a national vision into a practical development outcomes. The source of an economic plan is often derived from the vision and policy priorities of a political party or governing authority. It reflects the development aspirations, economic priorities, and long-term goals of a country. A comprehensive economic plan consists of several key components. Vision. It defines the desired future state of the economy and the long-term development directions. Objectives specify what the country aims to achieve through the plan, such as economic growth, productivity improvement, employment generation, and improved living standards. Policies provide guidelines and frameworks for achieving the identified objectives. Targets establish measurable results and indicators to evaluate progress. Strategies identify the approaches and actions required to implement policies and achieve targets. Trust areas highlight priority sectors or areas that require special attention for accelerated development. Economic plans can also be categorized according to their durations. Long-term plans provide a broader vision and directions for national development over an extended period. Medium-term plans translate long-term goals into achievable programs and projects within a specific period. Annual plans focus on short-term implementation activities, budgeting, and monitoring of yearly progress. Together, these elements ensure that economic development is planned systematically, implemented effectively, and adjusted according to changing national and global conditions. Economic planning can be categorized into different levels depending on the scope, objectives, and area of focus. These planning approaches help governments and organizations manage resources effectively, establish development priorities, and achieve balanced economic growth. The three major types of economic planning are macroeconomic planning, sectoral planning, and national and subnational planning. Macroeconomic planning focuses on the overall performance of the economy. It deals with major economic indicators such as economic growth, inflation, employment, national income, investment, fiscal policy, and monetary stability. The main objective is to maintain overall economic balance and create a favorable environment for sustainable development. Sectoral planning focuses on specific sectors or industries of the economy, such as agriculture, manufacturing, tourism, education, healthcare, energy, and technology. These are it identifies sector-specific challenges, opportunities, targets, and strategies to improve productivity and competitiveness. National and subnational planning considers development and different geographical levels. National planning establishes the overall direction and priorities for the entire country, while subnational planning focuses on provinces, districts, and local communities to address regional needs and ensure balanced development across areas. So together, these three planning approaches ensure that economic development is coordinated from the national level to individual sectors and regions, creating a more inclusive and sustainable growth pathway. Macroeconomic planning is a process of designing policies and strategies by considering the entire economy as a single integrated system. Unlike sectoral planning, which focus on individual industries, macroeconomic planning examines the overall economic performance and the relationship between different economic activities. The preparation of a macroeconomic plan involves analyzing the current economic situation, identifying future challenges, and establishing a clear framework for achieving national development objectives. A macroeconomic plan mainly includes four key elements: objectives. Uh, it defines the broad economic outcomes that a country aims to achieve, such as economic growth, price stability, employment generation, poverty reduction, and improved living standards. Then goals. It establishes specific targets and measurable results that guide implementation and allow progress to be evaluated. And then macroeconomic policies. It provides policy measures related to areas such as fiscal policy, monetary policy, trade policy, investment policy, and financial management to influence overall economic performance. There are also future forecasts. Predict future economic conditions by analyzing factors such as growth trends, resource availability, population challenges, global economic conditions, and potential risk. Therefore, a macroeconomic plan acts as a national economic roadmap, helping decision makers to coordinate resources, maintain economic stability, and achieve sustainable long-term development. Thank you very much, and we'll meet again with next session.